experiment, which is to make Oobleck. So you're going to need cornstarch. We've already measured ours out. We have 1 cup of cornstarch in our bowls. You're also going to need water. We've also already pre-measured our water, so we have ½ cup of water. Food coloring, your choice what color, of course, and something to mix with, a spoon, a popsicle stick, anything like that. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is add your food coloring to your water. And you can basically add as much as you need until you get the desired color. I'm going to do yellow, Haley's going to do a classic green. Just give that a quick stir once you're happy with whatever color you want it to be. I'm going to get more. Yellow's a harder color because it's pretty pale. So once you're happy with the color of your water, you're going to put that into your bowl with your cornstarch. And then we mix.
You can mix with your spoon or mixing utensil as long as you can, but at some point it will become too difficult to mix with the utensil and you will have to get your messy hands in there.
I'm already feeling some resistance on mine, Haley, so I'm going to bring us in for a closer look. At what's going on in our bowls. So Oobleck is an interesting substance. It sort of goes from liquid to solid to liquid, which is exactly what's happening here. It's a little hard to tell on camera, but once you're mixing yours, you're gonna sort of feel a force pushing back at you almost as you sort of pick that up. So I can sort of pick this up and it feels firm, but then it sort of turns to liquid between my fingers. Let's have a look at Haley's. Hers is coming together. You can see her really working to stir that in. She's gonna roll up her sleeves here.
So you can see that you can sort of bounce off of it when you hit it quickly, but then once it sort of hits your fingers, it becomes a liquid. That's called a non-Newtonian fluid. So that means it doesn't really have a base substance. So it's not quite a solid and it's not quite a liquid.
Again, it's a little hard almost to capture on camera, but if you do this experiment at home, you're going to sort of feel that force right away, and you're going to understand exactly what Haley is talking about. When you touch it with your finger or when you mix it with your spoon.
And you can sort of see what hitting it quickly versus hitting it slowly will do. It's just a very interesting substance to get to play with.
This is a fun and definitely a messy science experiment. So we hope you guys have fun making your own Oobleck at home, and we'll see you next week.